Shorty said she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah.
Today is Saturday, October 10th. I am going to be visiting a little pumpkin patch thing. You're gonna be seeing Molly that you haven't seen in like a year.
John, she like 5'1", honey, hella fine, low key, shorty mad, whoa, that's the shit we on, looking natural, self-love, it's a good thing, smell like aloe, cocoa butter, and some good thing, yeah.
Okay, so I'm done getting like makeup. I straightened my hair. Here's the little fit thing. I don't know. I'll see you in a bit. Hi, I'm with Molly. You guys haven't seen her like a year. I don't know why. Throwback to last year's Hurricane Hill. I'll insert like a couple clips. Oops. Parents. No. Where to go? And I said we should go this way.
This way.
We're going this way.
Back where we were before. Sophie,
Do you think I give a
snap map?
what? Wait, it goes like all at once. Ah! Hayden, what's my name? My name is Hayden. Hayden. Ship. Thanks. I love your outfit.
Pick any. Hi. Montage thing. I'll see you guys later. We're bored. Insert some photos. Done. So I'm with Molly and we're walking Jax. It's not my dog. It's my neighbor's dog. Not mine.
Not hers either.
Never walked another dog besides my own.
I walk him about 3 or 4 times a week, depending on weather. Hi. Okay. So we're home. This is like the end of the vlog. I'm sorry if it was like short, but I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.